A single crocodile can grow and lose up to 3,000 teeth in its lifetime. And beneath that ancient scaled exterior lies a dental secret powering its reign. It boasts 80 razor-sharp teeth at any given moment, each a perfect killing instrument, but they aren't permanent. These teeth are continuously replaced, with some crocodiles shedding theirs up to 50 times over their lives. Contrast that with us humans, who only get 2 sets. Over 70 years, a croc might go through 3,000 teeth while we're stuck with our original 32. The math there is grim. This constant dental refresh ensures peak predatory efficiency, with a conical shape, hollow core, and deep socket. It's nature's conveyor belt for death. Each tooth has a replacement growing right beneath it, ready for deployment. That's just ruthless. Evolution refined this for over 80 million years, and frankly, they're still not okay. Humans get 2 sets in 80 years. Crocs get 50 sets. You are basically losing the dental race. In their murky rivers, lost teeth are a daily occurrence. They chew through 4 teeth weekly. This incredible mechanism lets them tackle wildebeest or zebras, sustaining their apex predator status. How does nature design such an endless arsenal? It's the ultimate dental plan. Lose a tooth, grow another, repeat. Your dentist would just stare. So, as this hunter explodes from the water, remember, each snap is from a refreshed, utterly ruthless array. Absurd, right? That's 3,700 psi of crushing power, enough to shatter bone instantly. This astonishing bite force isn't just raw strength, it's precision engineered by a continuously renewed arsenal of teeth. Picture your hand trying to grip 3,700 pounds of pressure. Your own bite averages only 150 psi. The crocodile's conical teeth are built for piercing and gripping, designed like deadly meat hooks. They hold prey even during violent struggles like its infamous 360-degree death roll. Once latched on, escape is futile. Their jaw-closing muscles are immensely powerful, yet the opening muscles are surprisingly weak, so much so that one human can hold them shut. This bizarre design means if prey is too large to swallow whole, they can't easily open their mouth. Crocodiles span 98 countries, inhabiting wetlands larger than continents combined. A young croc replaces its 80 teeth every 30 days. This frequency slows with age, but dental renewal never stops, and their specialized teeth can crush thick shells, like turtles up to 20 centimeters thick. Evolution clearly had some ideas for this predator. Subscribe if you agree, some designs are just over-engineered. A crocodile churns out 4,000 teeth over its lifetime, a biological factory with no off switch. It's not just a few replacements, it's a relentless dental career, with a smaller successor always waiting beneath the functional one. A third, even tinier bud forms under that, creating a precise cue for what scientists call dental families. This incredibly efficient replacement strategy is something only about 25% of other reptile species possess. The secret lies in a specialized dental lamina, a continuous band of tissue that perpetually generates these new tooth buds. This biological assembly line simply never closes, with internal signals orchestrating the process and pushing old teeth out over a swift 10 to 14 days. Consider that your own loose baby tooth took months. Theirs is a natural, rapid eviction. Over a typical 70-year lifespan, a crocodile replaces all 80 of its teeth up to 50 times, leading to that astounding total of 4,000. The newest tooth emerges already perfectly sharpened, ready for immediate use, with no awkward gaps or painful trips to the orthodontist. We humans get 2 sets of teeth, crocodiles get 50. Evolution clearly had a different dental insurance plan in mind. One crocodile cycles its entire dental set 50 times, averaging 2 to 3 replacements for each individual tooth. Your one set better last. Unlike us with just one replacement cycle, crocodiles possess specialized stem cells that generate new teeth throughout their entire 80-year lifespan. This continuous renewal means they can lose thousands of teeth throughout their lives, an anatomical marvel. A single tooth typically lasts only a few months, with smaller teeth being replaced every 30 days, always ready for the next meal. For over 200 million years, crocodilians have defied extinction, largely thanks to a dental blueprint that sounds more like a manufacturing line than a mouth. Imagine a predator so ancient it saw dinosaurs rise and fall and still thrives today. Their jaws hold up to 80 teeth, and when one wears down or breaks, a new one is already waiting to erupt. This isn't just one or two replacements, it's a lifelong process, potentially up to 50 times. For context, we humans get just 2 sets of teeth in our entire lives. This continuous renewal proved a critical evolutionary advantage, especially since over 99% of their prey is secured by sheer crushing force, not tearing or chewing. Scientists point to specific gene pathways as the architects of this endless dental supply, a legacy forged over geological epochs. This relentless renewal fuels a bite force that can reach an astonishing 3,700 psi. That's like having a hydraulic press in your mouth. Your average human bite barely scratches 200 psi. Trying to eat a wildebeest with teeth that dull or shatter? Not an option for their survival. This polyphyodonty, the scientific term for continuous tooth replacement, is precisely why these animals outlasted the asteroid that wiped out most dinosaurs 66 million years ago. They adapted to what their environment offered, consuming almost anything. Now, researchers at places like the University of Florida are studying the 50 specialized stem cells in their dental lamina, hoping to unlock secrets for human tooth regeneration. This could revolutionize dentistry. Evolution had ideas. A crocodile can replace its teeth 50 times throughout its life. That's more than any other animal on Earth, a design built for a lifetime of biting. As apex predators, they keep prey populations in check, from fish to small mammals, essential for maintaining vast aquatic ecosystems. When the dry season hits, these reptilian engineers dig crocodile holes, deep depressions that hold vital water. These become oases for countless other species, lasting up to 6 months in parched landscapes. It's wild to think they need over 3,000 teeth in a lifetime, compared to our 2 meager sets. Evolution clearly prioritized their bite. With human development expanding, their role as ecosystem engineers grows even more critical, especially in places like the Amazon and Northern Australia. Scientists are studying their polyphyodonty, the science of their continuous tooth replacement. They're specifically unlocking secrets from dental lamina stem cells, hoping for pathways to human tooth regrowth. On average, a crocodile swaps 1 tooth every month. Your wisdom tooth? It can take 7 years just to start erupting, if it even bothers. This constant renewal supports their remarkable longevity. Some crocs live over 70 years, staying sharp hunters from hatchling to old age. Think about their reproductive odds. A female lays up to 80 eggs, yet only about 1% reach adulthood. Your chance of winning the lottery is much higher. The sheer volume of teeth constantly replaced makes them a perfectly self-sharpening biological machine. Indigenous cultures have long revered crocodiles, linking them to creation and primal power, a testament to their deep ecological significance. While tooth regeneration isn't unique, their specialized dental lamina is a goldmine for stem cell research.